lies rigged and ready in the harbor. Tomorrow for old England she sails, far away from your land of endless sunshine, to my land full of rainy skies and gales. And I shall be aboard the ship tomorrow, though my heart is full of tears at this farewell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than the spoken word can tell. I've heard there's a wicked war ablazing, and the taste of war I know so very well. Even now I see the foreign flags raising, their guns on fire as we sail into hell. I have no fear of death, it brings no sorrow, but how bitter will be this last farewell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than the spoken word can tell. Though death and darkness gather all around me, and my ship be torn apart upon the sea, I will smell again the fragrance of these islands, and the mystic waves that brought me once to thee. And should I arrive safe home again to England, I will watch the English mist roll through the dell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than the spoken word can tell.